Arriving in Orlando during the month of October, the imaginative geniuses behind the Creative City Project are presenting Airplay at the Dr. Phillips Center for the Performing Arts Seneff Plaza. Airplay combines immersive inflatable art along with a phenomenal luminarium from world-famous architects of air. I'll give you a sneak peek at this incredible art exhibit, eliciting wonderment at the unexpected beauty of light and color. Coming up next. You can help support the broadcast quality episodes of The Orlando Guy by shopping online for my exclusive Orlando, Florida themed clothing, including my ultra soft fleece hoodies for men and women, or the immensely popular tie-dye caps that fits all sizes. With my 407 original brand apparel, you can tell the world you love Orlando without saying you love Orlando. Shop now at The Orlando Guy, where American Express is warmly welcomed. Airplay is located on the Seneff Plaza front lawn of the Dr. Phillips Center for the Performing Arts in downtown Orlando. Airplay, presented by Orlando Regional Medical Center, brings unique interactive inflatable art to Orlando with gigantic inflatable anatomical sculpture, oversized flowers, mushrooms, bugs, lily pads, a giant slide, and more. Perfect for both a young and young at heart to explore. But the real awe-inspiring experience comes when you enter Daedalum, a massive luminarium designed by architects of air from England. A luminarium is a sculpture people enter to be moved to a sense of wonder at the beauty of light and color. Daedalum offers an eerie yet soothing encounter of peaceful, inflatable art from the inside, with relaxing sounds and soft lighting which enhance the experience, creating a one-of-a-kind atmosphere. Daedalum, inspired by natural forms, geometric solids, and Gothic architecture, is a maze of winding paths and inspiring domes where visitors may lose themselves in sensory bliss. The luminarium's pneumatic environment, in its organic purity, provides a utopian vessel to contain light's radiant brilliance and subtle hues. Through a labyrinth of tunnels and cavernous domes, visitors move in a medium of saturated color in a world apart from the normal and everyday, accompanied by a gentle sensory landscape. It is a paradox that such a stimulating environment can also be so calming, comforting, and many people find a luminarium a place for rest or contemplation. Every once in a while, something comes along that is just so different and interesting, it's hard to put into words. If you're in Orlando during October 2022, make plans to visit Airplay at Seneff Plaza in downtown Orlando.